Okay, so today's video I'm going to talk about using this and repurposing it into a USB power supply. So I've been using these Nikon cameras for quite a while. It's my trusty P7100 bridge camera with a wide angle lens and a D3200, which is also a pretty good entry level camera. They're a few years old, but you know, they serve me pretty well. So basically these batteries don't really last long enough, and I'm cycling between 2 cameras and 3 batteries, and I'm always consistently charging one. So I figure, why not get the old USB power happening? So I'm going to convert this into a USB adapter. So once I convert to a USB adapter, I can use just a USB cable to power the camera through this adapter that I'm going to create. And when I do that, I can use a power bank, or I can use a wall adapter, or I could use an old mobile phone with a USB outlet, and then sort of have that. Or I can use a hobby battery, or I can use pretty much anything that will give me 5 volts straight into this. Now the challenge is with this is that these battery packs, well, the cameras essentially, run on 7.4 volt. So if I'm putting USB power in there, that's only going to be 5 volts. So what I need is this. This is a step up buck converter. So on the side here, this is an adjustable trim here, and basically the voltage in on this side, you can put in whatever voltage you like, and you can step it up to within a range. So with this piece here, just a USB socket, I'm going to knock apart this casing and insert this guy and this guy, and I should be able to output power from these sockets here. Now this, once I get inside it, I'll be able to identify which posts are the positive and the negative. I don't know exactly what's inside there, but follow me on a journey and we'll figure it out together. Okay, as far as the casing goes, should fit pretty well inside there. This guy will probably fit right there. So that's where our USB outlet's going to come from. So I'm going to need to do is go in there, take a hole out, so I can put the USB into here.